Welcome to I Am Kids Rian YouTube channel.
In today's video, I am going to show you how to pay service charges in Portugal. While you stay in Portugal, you have to pay different kind of fees, which has something like entidade numbers, referencia number and montante. If you get something like this from your electricity service, from your internet service, from schools or child schools or something like this, if you get some information, you don't need to even go to the ATM machine. You can directly pay such amounts from your bank. To do that, either you can choose mobile banking or you can use from laptop or desktop computer as well. To do that, you need to first of all log in to your bank account. I have a bank account in Activa Bank, so I am using such procedure. If you have a bank account in Activa Bank, you can follow. After logging, you can go to Pagar option, click on it. Then you will get this option, service, to do this operation. But if you have to pay temporary resident card or residency card payment or other public payment, you have to choose Estado A public sector option and you can go accordingly. Otherwise, you can go from the service. From this, you have to keep in mind that it should have entidade, referencia, amount. If you have these options, then you can go through with this option. You have to fill these places. Then you can put email address if you want this proof in your another email address as well. You can click here if you want to pay this amount in a specific date. Otherwise, you can click on continuar. Then after clicking this, you will see how the amount is going to be paid, in which reference number, in which entity. Then you have to click on this NVR SMS. Then you will get a code in your mobile phone. Then you have to go to your mobile and you have to watch or you have to see the code. Then you can get that code from your mobile phone and you need to copy and paste it here and click on continuar. Then your transaction is done. You have completed. If you want to see this in your email address, you can click on this NVR email. Otherwise, if you want to print it out, you can click on imprimir. In this way, you can pay any charges of the service. I think this video will help you to pay any service charge which has entity, reference number and the amount.
Please like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.